This is my edible cell project. The first part of my animal cell will be the nucleus, which I'm using an Oreo for. This is the nuclear membrane, and the space in between the two Oreos can act as like the nuclear pores. Just gonna place that in the middle. And then the next part is the centriole. The centriole is what helps in when the cell is dividing. And I'm using these flake chocolates, and they kind of look like centrioles if you look closely, like a little bit. That's what I thought, so that's why I'm using that. And for the Golgi apparatus, I will be using this walnut. The Golgi apparatus is basically, I like to call it like the post office of the cell. It takes in everything and sends out all everything the cell needs. And then we have the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. And for some reason, I feel like Hershey's chocolates dominate all the chocolates. And so it's kind of like the powerhouse of all the chocolates. And so that's why it is the mitochondria. And for smooth ER, I have this Cheerio. And the smooth ER functions in lipid synthesis. And then for rough ER, I have this Cookie Crisp cookie, and the chips on the cookie represent the ribosomes on the cookie. I don't know if you can see, there's chocolate chips. Those represent the ribosomes on the cookie. I mean, on the rough ER. And the rough ER is where protein synthesis occurs, and the peanut butter is the cytoplasm, because the cytoplasm's main function is to basically hold everything in place. And so I feel like peanut butter is it's kind of sticky, so it kind of keeps everything in its place. And I'm just gonna use some chocolate powder for like chocolate milk to represent ribosomes, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over the peanut butter, and it's going to act as the ribosomes that are found like all throughout the cytoplasm. And that is my cell project.